The Bharla Solar Park, located in the arid region of Rajasthan, Jodhpur district, stands today as one of the largest solar power installations in the world. It is a symbol of India's ambitious transition towards a clean and sustainable energy. As the country grapples with the increasing energy demand, climate change concern, and need of the energy security, large scale of renewable projects like Bharla Solar Park plays a crucial role in shaping India's energy future. Spread across the vast stretches of the desert land, this solar park is not just a power generating facility but also a testament to the technological innovation, policy planning, and environmental consciousness. India has committed to reducing its carbon emission and increasing the share of renewable energy in its power mix. The Bharla Solar Park aligns perfectly with the vision by harnessing the abundant solar radiation available in Rajasthan. With an installed capacity of approximately 2245 megawatts, it is among the top solar parks globally and represents a significant milestone in India's renewable energy landscape. Bharla Solar Park is situated in Bharla village of Faloti Tehsil in Jodhpur district, Rajasthan. The region is characterized by its desert climate, minimal vegetation, and high solar irradiation. The Thar Desert, where the park is located, receives some of the highest level of sunlight in India, making it an ideal location for solar energy generation. The choice of location was strategic. The land in this region is largely barren and unsuitable for agriculture, reducing conflict over the land use. Additionally, the area is sparsely populated, which minimizes displacement issues. The flat terrain also makes it easier to install large scale of solar panels and related infrastructure. These geographical advantages have made Bharla an optimal site for solar power development. The development of Bharla Solar Park was carried out into multiple phases under the supervision of Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited (RREC) and Solar Energy Corporation of India (SECI). The project was initiated as the part of India's National Solar Mission launched in 2010, which aims to promote solar energy across the country. Phase 1 and Phase 2. The initial phase focused on creating basic infrastructure, including land acquisition, land connectivity, and transmission of facility. The phase lays the foundation for future expansion. Several private and public sector companies participated in these early stages by setting up solar power plants within the park. In later phase, the park saw rapid expansion with the involvement of major energy companies such as Adani Green Energy, Tata Power Solar, and other international investors. These phases significantly increased the park's total capacity, eventually reaching over 2200 megawatt. Technological advancement including high efficiency photovoltaic panels and tracking system were incorporated to maximize energy output. The phased approach allows for the gradual learning, improvement, and scaling up of the operation, making Bharla a model for the future solar park in India and beyond. Bharla Solar Park primarily uses photovoltaic solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity. These panels are made of semiconductor materials, usually silicon, which generate electric current when exposed to sunlight. The electricity produced in them transmitted by substation where it is converted into fed into national grid. One of the key technological features of the park is to use solar tracking system. This system allows solar panel to move in alignment with sun's position throughout the day, increasing energy efficiency and overall power generation. Additionally, advanced inverters and transformers are used to ensure stable and reliable electricity supply. The park is connected to high voltage transmission lines that distribute power to different parts of Rajasthan and neighboring state. This integration with the national grid ensures that the electricity generated reaches both urban and rural consumers. The Bharla Solar Park had significant economic impact at both local and national levels. At the local level, the project has created thousands of jobs in construction, maintenance, and operation. Many people from nearby villages have found employment opportunities, improving their livelihood and standard of living. The project has also attracted substantial investment from both domestic and international companies. This has boosted Rajasthan's economy and positions the state as the leader of renewable energy. At the national level, Bharla contributes to reducing India's dependence on imported fossil fuels such as coal and oil, thereby saving foreign exchange and enhancing energy security. Moreover, the cost of solar power generated at Bharla has been remarked low compared to traditional energy source. Competitive bidding and technological environments have driven down solar tariffs, making renewable energy more affordable for consumers. One of the most important aspects of Bharla Solar Park is the positive environmental impact. Unlike coal-based power plants, solar energy generation does not produce harmful greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. This helps in reducing India's overall carbon footprint and combating climate change. The park also has conserved water, which is a critical issue in arid region like Rajasthan. Thermal power plants require large amount of water for cooling, whereas solar plants use minimal water. This makes solar energy particularly suitable for desert areas. Additionally, by utilizing barren land, the project avoids deforestation and habitat destruction. However, care has to be taken to ensure the local ecosystem are not severely disrupted during the construction and operation. Despite its many benefits, Bharla Solar Park faces several challenges. One of the major issues is accumulation of dust on the solar panels due to the desert environment. Desert reduces the efficiency of the panels and require regular cleaning, which increases maintenance cost and water uses. Another challenge in the energy storage. Solar power is intermittent, meaning it is only generated during daylight. Without adequate battery storage system, excess electricity cannot be stored for use at night or during cloudy weather. This limitation affects the reliability of solar energy. Land availability and transmission infrastructure are also potential constraints for future expansion. As more solar projects are developed, finding suitable land, the building new transmission lines may become increasingly difficult. The Bharla Solar Park has brought both the opportunities and challenges to the local community. On the positive side, employment and infrastructure development have improved living conditions in nearby villages. Road, electricity and communication facility has been upgraded due to the project. However, some local residents have expressed concern about land acquisition and environmental changes. While most of the land used was barren, there have been debates about fair compensation and long-term benefits of the local people. Addressing these concerns is essential to ensuring sustainable and inclusive development. India has set an ambitious target of achieving 500 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2030, with a major contribution from solar power. Bharla Solar Park plays a crucial role in moving the country closer to its goal. It serves as the model for large-scale renewable energy projects and demonstrates India's commitment to clean energy. The success of Bharla has inspired development of other solar parks across the country, such as Pavagadh Solar Park in Karnataka, Rewa Solar Park in Madhya Pradesh. These projects collectively strengthen India's position as global leader in renewable energy. On international stage, Bharla Solar Park highlights India's leadership in combating climate change. As one of the largest solar installations in the world, it showcases the country's technological capabilities and policy commitment to sustainable development. The project also contributes to the global efforts under the Paris Agreement, where countries have pledged to reduce greenhouse gas emission and transition of cleaner energy. Bharla stands as the practical example of how developing nations can balance economic growth with environmental responsibility. The future of Bharla Solar Park looks promising. Plans for further expansion, improved technology, and integration with the energy storage system are being explored. The introduction of battery storage and hybrid renewable system combining solar with the wind or green hydrogen could enhance reliability and efficiency. Research and innovation in solar technology, such as bifacial panels and floating solar system, may also incorporate in future phases. These advancements will help maximize energy generation and reduce environmental impact. The Bhadla Solar Park is more than just a power plant. It is the symbol of India's transition towards the sustainable and greener future. By harnessing sun energy in addressing critical challenges such as climate change, energy security, and rural development. Despite facing challenges related to dust, storage, and infrastructure, the park remains a remarkable achievement in renewable energy. Its success demonstrates that large scale of solar projects are not only feasible but also economically and environmentally beneficial. As India continues to expand its renewable energy capacity, Bhadla Solar Park will remain a shining example of innovation, collaboration, and commitment to the cleaner planet. It represents hope for the future where energy is abundant, affordable, and sustainable for all. Thank you. If the data was informative, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.